Here is a highly professional, structured, and impactful feedback report suitable for submission to the President, Board of Directors, and teaching staff. Pioneer Public School Report on Parents-Teachers Meeting, Nursery, LKG, and UKG, Academic Year 2026 to 27. Submitted to President, Board of Directors, and Teaching Faculty. Submitted by Administrator. 1. Introduction. The Parents-Teachers Meeting for Nursery, LKG, and UKG was conducted successfully with active participation from parents, teachers, and the academic leadership team. The primary objective of the meeting was to communicate the school's innovative academic plan, strengthen parent collaboration, and gather constructive feedback to enhance early childhood education. 2. Key initiatives. Presented A. Oxford Curriculum Implementation. Parents were oriented on the structured use of Oxford early learning books, emphasizing concept clarity, language development, and activity-based learning. B. Audio-visual learning integration. It was proposed that all lessons will be converted into engaging video and audio formats with music. These resources will be provided through a 4 GB pen drive to be procured by parents in June, ensuring continuity of learning at home. C. Home learning reinforcement strategy. Parents were guided on utilizing digital lesson content for revision at home. The expected outcomes include improved pronunciation and communication skills, strong conceptual understanding, reduction in unproductive mobile usage among children. D. Post-assessment academic planning. After every formative assessment, FA, instead of only issuing report cards, a structured future academic plan will be shared. Feedback will be collected through direct interaction with the administrator, headmaster, and KG teachers. E. Weekly academic monitoring system. Weekly individual parent interactions will be conducted via Google Meet. A systematic academic tracking mechanism will be maintained and shared with parents regularly. F. Activity-based outdoor learning. Weekly lesson-based outdoor activities will be conducted to promote experiential learning, creativity, and physical development. G. Academic supervision and teacher development. The administrator will conduct daily classroom observations. Continuous feedback and training will be provided to teachers to ensure quality instruction and professional growth. Parents. Feedback and response. Parents expressed high appreciation for the integration of digital learning methods. The concept of audio-visual lessons and home revision support was widely welcomed. Many parents acknowledged the initiative to reduce excessive mobile usage through structured learning. The weekly monitoring system and personal interaction were appreciated as progressive steps. Parents showed willingness to cooperate and actively participate in their child's learning process. 4. Observations. Strong parent engagement indicates trust in the institution's vision. Digital and activity-based approaches are aligned with modern early childhood pedagogy. Continuous monitoring and feedback systems will significantly improve student outcomes. Teacher accountability and training mechanisms are well-defined and result-oriented. 5. Recommendations. Ensure timely preparation and quality of audio-visual content. Provide orientation training to parents on effective use of digital materials. Maintain consistency in weekly tracking and communication. Strengthen teacher training programs for effective implementation. Periodically review the impact of initiatives on student learning outcomes. Conclusion. The meeting was highly productive and reflects a progressive shift towards integrated, technology-supported, and child-centric education. The collaborative approach between school and parents is expected to yield strong academic foundations and holistic development for students. Submitted by Umesh Administrator, Pioneer Public School,